Hi, President Keel. How are you?
I'm doing great. It's great to hear from you, and I appreciate you giving us an opportunity to spend a little time with you. And on behalf of Dr. David Hess, the Dean of the Medical College of Georgia, and myself, I want to thank you for joining us. And it really is our pleasure to be able to speak with you today, and even in what is obviously an unconventional manner.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Every
Well,
year we
I appreciate it.
Absolutely. We're glad to have you. Every year we solicit nominations for one of our most prestigious awards, the John F. Beard Award. Nominees for this award are submitted to the University Senate, and representatives from the Senate make the final selection. This is one of the most prestigious awards given annually to any student. A composite plaque listing past recipients moves around campus. It's housed in the college of that year's student recipient, and it currently resides in the College of Nursing. I'm very pleased to report that after today, the composite plaque will move to the Medical College of Georgia, and your name will be the newest addition to this plaque. The John F. Beard Award is a $40,000 annual award given by the William Porter Billy Payne and his wife Martha to a graduating medical, nursing, or health sciences student who exemplifies caring and compassion in healthcare. The award was established in 1998 in memory of Mrs. Payne's father, who died of cancer in 1997. The award honors President Emeritus Francis J. Tedesco and Mr. Beard's physician, Dr. Mark F. Williams, a 1988 Medical College of Georgia graduate who treated Beard during his hospitalization at AU Health. The nominations submitted on your behalf were resounding, and you were described by everyone as having an outstanding compassion and as being a leader in patient and family-centered care. You have exemplified outstanding leadership for the class of 2020 and have tirelessly volunteered with incoming students and international medical mission trips. For the purposes of this award, however, we are primarily concerned with your qualities that demonstrate the hallmarks of what the award is all about. That is caring and compassion in healthcare. And without question, these are areas in which you shine. The Associate Dean for Student Affairs wrote the following about you. One of the most obvious personality traits throughout medical school was his enthusiasm and total compassion exhibited towards the lives of all that he touched. He always displayed a deep, innate sense of caring at the highest level. Other doctors, fellow students, patients, and patient family members also wanted to share numerous observations that demonstrate a superior level of compassion that you exhibit. And among these are the following, and I'm quoting: taking time after clinic closing to assist clinic staff with the medical concerns when on a medical mission trip to Egypt, going to visit patients even on his non-rotation days to ensure that they feel at ease when receiving care, checking in on a patient so diligently after surgery and making such an impact with his kindness and care that at every follow-up appointment or radiation treatment visit, the patient would ask how Kurt was doing. Selfishly investing in other students so that they might be able to provide better patient care. After completing a rotation, he would share advice with other classmates on what books he found to be helpful and helpful study resources. He once sat down with me for an hour to prepare me for my upcoming rotation. Another nominator wrote, he is patient with the young, old, emotionally distraught, depressed, lonely, or the sick. He takes the time to listen to everything that may be going through whatever it may be, physically, emotionally, or spiritually. In another instance, an MCG curriculum coordinator summed up your dedication, knowledge, and compassionate nature as follows, quote, he is my gold standard for ideal human behavior. I look forward to his pursuits as a physician and will always be proud to call him a friend. Above all of your recommendations carry the same message, and that is the highest honor to any physician, and that is, I would trust him to take care of any of my family members and friends. Kurt, you have consistently expressed gratitude and thankfulness for your patients, showing unceasing compassion for those enduring the most trying of diagnoses. One recommendation stated that Kurt has chosen the right profession. He makes being a medical student look easy. That's got to be a trick. He has a natural ability to put people at ease. He shows kindness and respect to other staff members. He's a good problem solver. It is highly likely that each of us at one point in our lives has or will need the care of a kind and caring physician. And it is my sincere hope that we each are cared by someone with the compassion and the concern that you possess. And now it is my distinct honor to officially recognize you as this year's recipient of the prestigious John F. Beard Award. Kurt, we want to extend to you our heartfelt congratulations. Thank you for being such an outstanding representative of our values here at Augusta University and the Medical College of Georgia. And although I can't hand you this plaque, I can at least show you. This is the plaque. We're going to be shipping it to you. You will also receive the monetary award with this. But I can't tell you how proud we are of you, how you have represented yourself, your family, and how you have represented the Medical College of Georgia is exemplary. And we're very, very grateful to you for that. And I offer you my own personal hearty congratulations and thank you so much. And with that, I'm going to turn things over to Dean Hess. So I'm sure we'd like to have a few opportunities to say a few words as well.
Yeah, thank you, Dr. Keel. Congratulations, Kurt. It is a great honor. This is really the great award in AU, and we're very proud the medical school has it. And I'm sure the people in Rome and the Northwest campus are excited too. You know, these campuses are a little bit competitive, so I'm sure that Leonard is going to, tell the other deans very quickly that you won this award. And your letters were outstanding. You know, Dr. Brock and many others up there who we know really think very highly of Dr. Seals, almost too many to mention, but these are faculty that we value, and they really think you're fantastic. So congratulations. You're a real credit to us. We're super proud of you. And now it's your turn. You only have 15 minutes to speak, so go ahead, Kurt.
Oh my gosh. I'm really at a loss for words. I'm incredibly honored. I mean, thank you so much. As you guys know, I think we really have the best faculty, and I think it's one thing to learn medicine, and I think it's another thing to really be able to see physicians who are modeling the type of care that you want to give. And I think that that's something that I have been so thankful to see is people that are in practice kind of acting in a way and caring for patients in a way that I would want to be cared for, and really make it easy to see a clear direction. And I'm just so honored to have the opportunity to learn from all of them. And even through some of this, the pandemic medicine elective that's been going on, had an opportunity to even talk with, or at least hear from some members from the Southwest campus in Albany, and just got off the phone with a physician at the Southeast campus in Savannah. And so just seeing across the state the high level of character and integrity of the physicians that are taking care of us is just unbelievable. And so I thank you so much. I really have no way to express my gratitude and how humbling and what an honor this is. I'm very, very appreciative.
And we wish you well in New Orleans. I think you're going to go into otolaryngology, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's correct.
It's pretty, the pandemic is pretty severe there now, but hopefully by the time you start it will have subsided some.
Yes, sir. I hope so. Thankfully, we've kind of been in touch with a lot of the faculty there, and it sounds like they are certainly being pushed, but that not overwhelmed, that they've got a good handle, they've got good support, and that they're making it through it. So I'm certainly excited to get started in a couple months and help.
I would just ask you to consider one thing, that you come back and join our faculty, or come back to Georgia when you're done training, okay?
Oh, yes, sir. Absolutely. Yes, sir.
Well, Kurt, I think the best way you could express your appreciation to this award and to the Payne family is to continue doing what you're doing. As I said, you represent us and yourself incredibly well. I know your family's very proud of you. We're very proud of you as well. And we look forward to watching your career. And as Dr. Hess said, we hope we can watch that career firsthand with you back here at Augusta. So take good care of yourself. Yes, stay healthy, stay well.
Yes,
and
sir.
Thank you so much for everything you do and how you represent Medical College of Georgia. Appreciate it very much. Congratulations.
Yes, sir. And you as well. Thank you. I really appreciate your time.
You bet. Glad to. All right. Bye-bye now.
Kurt. Thank you.
There you go. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you now.